Two heavyweights in the CRM arena, Freshsales and Zendesk, go head-to-head. Which one really delivers? On the left, Freshsales. Accelerate your sales growth with AI-powered insights. And on the right, Zendesk. Elevate your customer experience with powerful tools. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect.
All right, before we jump in, let me lay out our mind map for today.
We're digging into pricing, performance and ease of use, sales pipeline management, AI capabilities, integration capabilities, and finally, reporting and analytics. I know, that's a lot, but if you stick with me, I promise you'll know exactly which one suits you best. Okay, starting off with pricing. So Freshsales actually comes in strong here. It starts at just $9 a month, which honestly is super affordable whether you're solo or running a small team. The pricing tiers are pretty straightforward, no wild surprises. But, and here's a slight catch, you won't get those shiny advanced features unless you're ready to pony up for a higher plan. Now, Zendesk... First off, the starting point is much steeper at $19 a month. If you're an SMB, that's kinda ouch. Sure, once you're in those expensive plans, you get all the bells and whistles. But for most folks just starting out, it feels pricey. So, yep, Freshsales definitely takes the win here on price. Next up, performance and ease of use. Switching gears to Freshsales, boy does it try to make life easy. Seriously, the interface is a breeze. Even if you're brand new to sales CRMs, the setup is like done before your coffee gets cold. But let's be honest, it doesn't have all the power tools Zendesk does. Now, Zendesk, it's famous for letting you tweak and customize everything under the sun. There are powerful features for sure, but let me warn you, the setup will have you scratching your head at least once or twice. That learning curve is real. While Zendesk has the muscle, Freshsales just feels smoother for most users. So Freshsales squeezes out the win here.
All right, moving on to sales pipeline management. With Freshsales, this is kind of its playground. You get these AI-powered deal predictions, which are honestly kind of game-changing. Plus, visual pipeline tools mean you can track deals with one glance. And okay, maybe customer support isn't its strongest suit, but heck, it's built for sales. Now, Zendesk does keep you locked in on customer interactions, which is its bread and butter. But let's be honest, if you want to manage sales pipelines or get fancy with deal tracking, it's not really cut out for that. So, winner for this category, Freshsales, by far.
Oh, and get this, Freshsales is trusted by over 40,000 businesses worldwide. That's not a small number. So if you thought it was some hidden gem, nope, it's in the big leagues. Now on to AI capabilities. Freshsales is all about native AI for sales insights. It kinda nudges you in the right direction with suggestions, which I love. Downside, its AI pretty much stays in the sales lane. Zendesk, on the other hand, throws a bunch of AI features across different modules, which sounds awesome until you try to set it up. Some parts feel a bit pieced together, thanks to all those acquisitions over the years. Less seamless, more jigsaw puzzle. So, for clean and simple AI straight out of the box, Freshsales edges ahead.
All right, integration capabilities.
This is where Zendesk finally gets to flex. Freshsales does a nice job connecting with popular apps, no major headaches there, but honestly, if you need deep, wild integrations, it's kinda limited compared to Zendesk. Zendesk is just, wow, packed with integrations. Whatever you need, they've probably got an app for it. But, here's me being real, sometimes that list is so long, it's overwhelming. Still, if integration is your main game, Zendesk wins, hands down.
Let's wrap up with reporting and analytics.
All right, so with Freshsales, you get sales reports that are super easy to digest, which is a win if your team wants to keep things simple. Some folks might want more granular details though, because Freshsales keeps it clean but not overly complex. Now Zendesk, it's like analytics galore, especially for customer support. But sometimes the depth is like, whoa, it can drown small teams in data. Overall, both offer solid reporting, just with totally different vibes. So I would actually call this one a tie. Let's look at the radar chart real quick. You can literally see Freshsales pulling ahead in pricing, ease of use, sales pipeline, and AI. Zendesk's real spike is integrations. Reporting, both hold their own. So if you want something breezy, AI-powered, and built for sales, Freshsales is kind of the obvious pick. But say your main game is customer support and you need all those wild integrations, Zendesk is tough to beat. For most sales teams, though, especially in 2025, Freshsales just makes sense.
Thinking about making a switch or starting fresh? Check out both platforms. Seriously, see which CRM feels right for your business today.